number 87 states, at a convenience store, you buy 2 gallons of milk at $3.94 per gallon and 3 loaves of bread at $2.47 per loaf. You give the clerk a $20 bill. How much change will you receive? This problem has 3 parts to it. The keys to this problem are that you buy 2 gallons of milk, which is $3.94 per gallon, and 3 loaves of bread at $2.47 per loaf. So the first step would be to take your $3.94 per gallon, $3.94 per gallon, and multiply that by how many gallons of milk you bought. You would multiply that by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry your 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. You have 2 decimal places, so your answer has 2 decimal places. So the $7.88 represents how much it costs for the milk. And in order to find out how much it costs for the bread, we're going to do the same operation. You're going to take your $2.47 and multiply that by how many loaves of bread times 3. 7 times 3 is 1, carry your 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, carry your 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Since you have 2 decimal places, your answer is 2 decimal places. So the $7.41 represents the cost of the bread. So the next step to the problem would be to take how much money you spent on the milk and add it together to how much money you spent on the bread, and this would give us the total amount of money you spent at the convenience store. So we take our $7.88, and we're going to add it to $7.41. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 7 and 7 is 14, plus the 1 is 15. In addition, you just dropped a decimal point. So the $15.29 represent how much you spent at the convenience store. The next and final step in the problem is it states that you gave the clerk a $20 bill. So you handed the clerk $20. And it's asking you how much change will you receive. Well, if you spent $15.29, you would take the $15.29 and subtract it from the $20 bill you gave the clerk, and that's how much money you would receive as change. So can we do 0 into 9? No, you cannot. So you have to move all the way over to the 2 and borrow from the 2. The 2 would become a 1, this 0 would become a 10. Has this solved any of our issue with the original problem of 0 minus 9? No, so we have to borrow again. And we keep borrowing until this 0 becomes a 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0, so we don't have to write. Since we're doing subtraction, you just drop the decimal point. So this $4.71 represents your change. And that is the answer to the problem.